Welcome. In this video, I'll show you a new fix for a VAN 1067 error in League of Legends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and go to your search bar right here, type in services, click on it. And then once done, just go ahead and find the service called VGC. Right here, this one. Double click on it. Now go ahead and go to startup type, set it to automatic, hit on apply. Wait for it, and then go ahead and click on start. Again, wait for it. After that, you now go ahead and hit on OK. Close this one, and then launch League of Legends again and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, make sure that you have TPM 2.0 enabled in your system, okay? Now, if you don't know how to enable it, it varies depending on your motherboard, okay? Now, if you don't know what your motherboard is, you can go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in system information, click on it. And here, just look for baseboard product and manufacturer. As you can see here, I have ASRock B550 Pro 4. Okay, so just look for enable TPM 2.0 ASRock B550 M Pro 4. Hit on enter, and then here you'll be able to find a ton of options. It could be a video or in a form of article. Okay, just enable it, and once done, you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.